Hello viewers, my name is Het Vyas and today I will demonstrate and explain about USP type 2 or IP type 1 dissolution apparatus.
In the pharmaceutical industry, dissolution may be defined as the amount of drug substance that goes into solution per unit time under standardized condition of liquid or solid interface, temperature, and solvent composition. There are various uses of the dissolution apparatus in pharmaceutical industry. First, the drug dissolution testing is routinely used to provide critical in vitro drug release information for quality control purpose. Second, formulation and optimization decisions during product development. Third, equivalence decision during the generic product development. Fourth, product compliance and release decision during routine manufacturing.
So now let's see how the instrument works. First of all, switch on the mains to start this equipment. After that, switch on this temperature regulating device to maintain the temperature 37 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. A display screen will turn on which will show the essential setting data. Adjacent to it, there is a control panel having the set of buttons used to control the system. It is a 8-pedal station system. This is the water holding system in which we fill the water up to the mark which is shown on the apparatus. There is a heating probe which is dipped into the water to maintain the temperature. After that, here we have our graduated basket in which we fill dissolution media as specified in the model. Today we will study about the dissolution profile of this paracetamol tablet. First of all, we put our paracetamol tablet in our given specified dissolution media. Immediate after, we will lower the platform by the platform downward. After the certain level, we will start the stirrer on and further set the RPM according to given in the formula. Now we will stop the stirrer and withdraw the sample according to the time specified in the monogram. The same amount of the withdrawal sample will be added by the dissolution media to maintain the same condition. Again, start the stirrer and do it the same procedure till the last endpoint. After the last endpoint, stop the stirrer and lift the platform up by pressing the platform up button. Now we will analyze the withdrawal sample according to the method given in the monograph so that we can determine the drug release at each time point. So friends, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.